Rainy returns, I pay respect to all potentialities held in persistent thunder, emboldened in my survival of the bereavement of my most vital seasons, choosing to believe the world has not irreversibly fallen under, caught between clarification and coldness of hurt. These treasures I carry weighing down my hands at an inconvenient distance from where I always intended to land. And rainy returns, escapes engulf me in impressionistic clouds, hinting at celestial enchantments. If you miss the secret inscriptions upon the lips of the mist, shadows breaking in and out could separate collective recollection of how our natural state of love consistently renews compassion.